Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best gift wrap storage containers is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked organizational tools for anyone who loves to celebrate special occasions throughout the year, ensuring that your festive papers remain crisp, uncreased, and ready to impress, transforming the often chaotic task of gift giving into a seamless and stylish experience, making every present look its absolute best from the moment it's wrapped. Number 5. ZOBER Gift Wrapping Paper Organizer Storage. Discover the ultimate solution to elevate your Christmas gift wrapping. Embrace the joy of keeping your entire gift wrap collection neatly organized in one cheerful place. This gift wrap organizer is crafted with ultra-durable fabric, making it resistant to tears, punctures, fading, and moisture. Its sturdy construction ensures your gift wrap stays perfectly structured. Experience the convenience of clear pockets that beautifully organize your bows, labels, tape, scissors, and other materials. It's like a gift wrap storage box straight from Santa's workshop. These flat, slim containers are expertly designed to fit perfectly in deep shelves, narrow spaces, and under beds. When the holidays are over, simply collapse them and store them with ease. Christmas is stressful enough with all the shopping and wrapping. What we like? This one is built to last with its tough Oxford fabric, resisting tears and moisture. It also features handy interior pockets for all your accessories. If you're looking for a durable and organized solution that can be tucked away easily, this is a great choice. What people say? It holds a lot of stuff. Now all my Christmas wrapping paper, bows and tags are in one container. Organized all wrapping paper, bows, ribbons, and tissue paper in one. Fits many rolls and stores under a bed or closet easily. The organizer had a ton of space for all of the wrapping paper that my fiancé and I bought over the last few years. We loved all the pockets and how easy it is to fit in storage spaces. Number 4. ZOBER Round Christmas Gift Wrapping Paper Organizer Storage. Keep all your gift wrap rolls in one place. Dual zippers allow you to easily find the perfect roll for any occasion. Its round shape fits easily into attics or on shelves. This storage solution maximizes your space efficiently. Sturdy handles make carrying a breeze. An extra top grip lets you hoist it easily, just like Santa's sack. This organizer safeguards your rolls from moisture and mold. It preserves the pristine condition of your gift wrap and ribbons. Adorned with cheerful holiday colors, it adds a festive touch. Packing for the holidays becomes a joyful experience. Made from clear, waterproof PVC, it keeps your contents visible and protected. You can easily see what's inside while keeping it safe from the elements. What we like? Its unique round shape makes it easy to store in attics or on shelves, and the sturdy handles make it a breeze to carry. It also offers protection from moisture. If you need a space-saving option that's easy to transport and keeps your supplies dry, consider this one. What people say? It's very good size, easy to use, and holds a lot of wrap. And it stores so easily. The ZOBER wrapping paper storage has been a really handy organizer for keeping my wrapping paper neat and protected. It easily fits multiple standard-sized rolls and keeps them from getting crushed, bent, or dusty. The material feels sturdy and the zipper works smoothly, which makes accessing everything quick and easy. This acrylic Christmas wrapping paper bag holds a ton of rolls and keeps everything neatly organized. It's easy to carry, sturdy, and I love that it's clear so I can quickly see what's inside. Makes holiday storage simple and stress-free. Number 3. HOLDN Storage Premium Wrapping Paper Storage Container. Keep your gift wrap protected and wrinkle-free with our durable, tear-proof material. It's designed for long-lasting use and easy transport. This container easily holds up to 27 rolls of wrapping paper, up to 40 inches long. It also features internal pockets for all your accessories. Never lose track of your gift wrapping essentials again. It includes deep pockets on the cover to neatly store ribbons, bows, and tags. Perfect for all your gift wrapping needs, from holidays to birthdays. Keep all your wrapping paper sizes conveniently in one place. Designed to fit perfectly under your bed, it maximizes storage space. Keep your wrapping materials accessible and clutter-free. What we like? This container boasts a high capacity, fitting up to 27 rolls, and is designed to slide conveniently under your bed. Its tear-proof material ensures your supplies are well protected. If you have a large collection of wrapping paper and need a discreet, space-saving storage solution, this is ideal. What people say. The pockets are convenient for storing labels, scissors, tape and extra pieces of wrapping paper. It fit everything I needed, and was able to squeeze about 15 rolls of paper with room for more. It zips up nicely to be a compact bin that won't take up too much space. It's very spacious. I can fit all of my wrapping paper and gift bags and still have room for more. I love the extra pockets and the small separate compartment, which I use for scissors and tape. The durable 600D tear-proof material feels strong and sturdy, easily fitting all of my gift wrap, ribbons, and accessories. It keeps everything organized and protected, and the design makes it easy to store under the bed or in a closet. Number 2. ZOBER Gift Wrapping Paper Organizer Storage. Discover the ultimate solution to elevate your Christmas gift wrapping. Embrace the joy of keeping your entire gift wrap collection neatly organized in one cheerful place. This organizer is crafted with waterproof material, so there are no worries when it comes to year-round storage. Your gift wrap will be nice and dry when the holiday season rolls back around. Experience the convenience of clear pockets that beautifully organize your bows, labels, tape, scissors, and other materials. It's like a gift wrap storage box straight from Santa's workshop. These flat, slim containers are expertly designed to fit perfectly in deep shelves, narrow spaces, against walls, and even under beds. It's a merry solution for optimizing your space. Christmas is stressful enough with all the shopping, meals, and of course, the wrapping. This organizer takes one holiday task away with easy storage and easy access to your wrapping paper. What we like. This organizer is crafted from waterproof material, ensuring your gift wrap stays dry year-round. It also features a slim design for easy storage and interior pockets for accessories. If you prioritize keeping your wrapping paper dry and need a compact organizer that fits in tight spaces, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It holds wrapping paper rolls neatly and keeps them from bending or getting damaged. I also like that there's space for smaller items like bows, tape, and gift bags, which helped us stay organized instead of tossing everything into random boxes. It holds wrapping paper rolls really well, and I like the extra pockets for bows, ribbon, and gift tags. The size is generous and easily fits everything I need. Perfect size to organize all my wrapping supplies. Very spacious, fits lots of supplies. Great to store everything in one place, paper, bows, tape. The material is heavy duty and has handles for easy carrying and storing. Zipper is good quality too. Number 1. Handy Laundry Gift Wrap Storage Organizer, Red. Tired of messy gift wrapping supplies? Keep all your Christmas and gift wrapping essentials neatly organized in one convenient place. Say goodbye to wrinkled paper and ripped bows. This organizer ensures your supplies stay in perfect condition, ready for your next occasion. Crafted with durable construction, this organizer is built to last. You can reuse it year after year, making it a sustainable choice. It features 2 deep pockets, holding at least 8 large rolls of wrapping paper. There's also ample space for ribbons, bows, tape, scissors, and more. Measuring 40¼ inches by 14¼ inches by 5½ inches, it's designed for easy underbed storage. Simply slip it away to save valuable space in your home. What we like. This organizer offers ample space for many rolls and accessories, helping to prevent wrinkles and damage to your supplies. It's also designed for easy underbed storage. If your main goal is to keep all your gift wrapping supplies in perfect condition and out of sight, this is the one for you. What people say. The container is very sturdy and holds a lot of rolls. It's easy to assemble and looks great in my closet. The clear lid makes it easy to see what's inside. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.